Ethereum actually really is a superior corporate asset.
If you look at what's been happening lately, it's been really interesting to watch a lot of the American public take a closer eye at Solana, at Ether, at assets outside of Bitcoin. Why the shift for you?
Well, look, coming from an institutional background, I've been in this space for many years now, and I've watched investors feel like they missed on the Bitcoin wave. Ethereum represents that next wave. And so that is important to show investors an opportunity to catch up in a way. But also, we're not just buying a coin. We're allocating our reserves to a protocol that powers trillions of on-chain activity. And we believe Ethereum is becoming a new category of a strategic corporate asset, just like gold and treasuries. Ethereum actually really is a superior corporate asset. You could actually capture a good yield on that and fantastic capital appreciation. Also, Ethereum captures real economic activity. As stablecoin volumes grow, as tokenization becomes a thing, the fees generated by that activity is plowed back into the ETH holders, and that kind of feedback loop is not available for Bitcoin.
Sam, another way to ask why me make a shift such as this, do you think the upside of Bitcoin has been achieved? Is there less upside there than in Ether in your view?
I think Bitcoin is obviously the mother coin. It has first mover advantage. However, Ethereum has been sort of compressed in its valuation because of the era of Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler went after a lot of Ethereum projects during his reign at the SEC. He's no longer there. And Congress is now passing a lot of legislative acts to offer clear rules around Ethereum. You've seen the Genius Act that's been passed that provides a lot of rules about stablecoins, and more than half of stablecoins are built on Ethereum. And you see the Clarity Act that's upcoming. All these legislative acts is erasing the era of Gary Gensler and is finally unleashing what Ethereum can be. And so that's one of the main reasons why Ethereum hasn't had its chance in the sun, because of regulatory pressure, regulatory lack of clarity, and an SEC chairman that had some sort of weird vendetta against Ethereum. So now we have that behind us, and you're going to see a lot of unleashing of valuation on Ethereum, and that's our thesis. If you look at the purchasing power of fiat from 30 years ago to today, I'd rather be holding Ethereum.